Item 13.
Lordship, I'm appearing for this government election in this matter petitioner. There is a change in council in this matter, Lordship. I will file a fresh wakadnama in this matter. So please grant me.
You are appearing for
Number
the
13.
state in all these matters?
Yes, Lordship.
Entire batch?
Yes, Lordship.
Have you been
13.24.
Only for state of Tamil Nadu, Lordship. Service has been not
Yes,
completed.
I appear for the respondents in item number 13. Because I'm appearing for the
State of Tamil Nadu, Lordship.
Shade of Tamil. I'm appearing for 13.24.
13.1.
Lord, we are also affected by the institute. Lord, teachers, group of teachers, nearly 3.5 lakhs teachers, Lord, been affected.
Lord, I
Lord, by this order. Lord, what has happened subsequent?
Lord, may I say this?
Your Lordship. Lord, the improved order has been doubted by another coordinate bench because, Lord, there were conflicting judgments. So, therefore, Lord, that coordinate bench is referred to a larger bench. May I place it before your Lord?
It's pending references.
Not for, may I say this, Lord? I'm sorry to interrupt.
Fix the leave to us, Lord. We'll go before the full bench, Lord, agitate all the matters before the full bench and then come back before
That
the
is
Lord.
wrong.
Subject to
I'm sorry.
final results, Lord, may come. May I please before your Lordship, Lord?
Lords, may I say this, Lords?
There are conflicting judgments throughout India, my Lord. All of a sudden, one day, Lord, the NCT says that you need a pass in TET exams. And Lord, nearly 3.5 lakhs teachers, Lord, are affected.
Qualification
Lords,
prescribed.
may I say
Not
only
the
this?
qualification, Lord, it's only eligibility. Suppose a lawyer, Lord, today they say that you have to pass this bar exams. Otherwise,
If your Lordships will kindly give me, Lords, 1 minute. Lords, I am appearing for all the candidates who have passed TET, Lord, all the teachers in Tamil Nadu who have passed the teacher eligibility test. And Lord, most of us were the writ petitioners. Lord, here, Lord, my learned senior, Mr. Wilson, Lord, there seems to be some confusion. Lord, there are 3 issues in this case. One relating to minority rights, one relating to whether, Lords, those appointed prior to the NCT notification pursuant to the RTE Act, Lord, whether they can continue in service without possession of TET. And the third is whether, Lords, they should necessarily have a teacher eligibility test, TET pass, Lords, to go to the next promotional level. Lords, as far as going to the next promotion level is concerned alone, Lords, with respect to that, Lord, there is no dichotomy, there is no 2 opinions of any 2 benches. Lords, the bench, Lords, at paragraph 74 of its judgment makes it very clear that if you want promotion to the next level or to the next post, then you necessarily must possess a pass in TET because as per the present rules for that post, you require that. That has also been clarified, Lords, by the NCT very specifically where they say for any next level, you need a TET. But as far as continuance in service is concerned, your Lordships will kindly appreciate this dichotomy on the part of the state. On the one hand, Lords, they have filed an appeal saying that even those who do not possess TET should be promoted if they have been appointed prior to that date. And on the other hand, they are challenging the observation of the division bench, which says that if you do not have a TET, you can still continue in service if you were appointed prior. Therefore, Lords, what are they fighting for, Lords? We fail to understand. But if there are cases that one should not even continue in service if they don't have TET, but how can they say that they should get promoted?
Incorporated in the statute about TET.
Lord,
What is
it was
the cutoff date?
date is 29/7/2011. 29/7/2011 is the date of the NCT notification.
29/7/2011.
Your Lordship may hear me on this, my Lord, because we have filed an SLP against the order.
I'll just finish this and then, Lord, just a minute.
Against the order of the division bench.
29/7/2011 is the date of notification. Lords, what the government of Tamil Nadu has done is they have amended the statutory rules in 2020 and said that TET is applicable only for direct recruitment and not for promotion to the next post of BT assistant or graduate assistant. So, virtually they are creating 2 classes of teachers. One, Lords, who will have necessarily to possess TET even if they have to be directly appointed to the post of a teacher. And then, Lords, they are saying that those appointed prior to that date can be promoted to the next promotional post. Lord, here what the division bench has done. Yes, Lords.
My Lords, I am appearing for candidates who filed a special.
Madam, please understand, main issue that will arise is
whether this is an essential qualification for being appointed as a teacher or not.
Not a qualification.
See, if it is an essential qualification, then
Yes.
even the minority institutions will have to fall in line, right?
Yes.
That's what has been held. Will have to fall in line, right?
Yes.
That's what has been held way back in Xavier's.
Yes, yes, my lords.
It is a fundamental right to appoint teachers. You have a right to appoint teachers, but they have to fulfill the basic qualifications. And the qualifications can be prescribed by the university.
Yes,
So
my
the
lords.
university prescribe and the school or the board prescribes, state board prescribes that you need the qualification
Yes,
of
yes.
this entrance test. Then you
Yes.
have to qualify in the entrance test.
Yes.
Otherwise, there's no way out.
We are all persons.
If this is not an essential
This
qualification,
is not an essential.
if
It
this
is
not
an essential.
qualification, then yes, you have full flexibility. All minority institutions will have flexibility to appoint teachers who are more compatible with that institution or the philosophy of that institution.
Yes, my
That
lords.
privilege you may have. But if it is an essential qualification, then Paramati will not come to your assistance.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, do not say that essential qualification will be given a go by.
I'm not on the minority ones, my lords. I am here appearing only for the non-minority institutions. My lord, all my clients are, my lords.
Minority also, madam, then you will be worse off. You will not be better off.
No, I've qualified. Lords, I have qualified.
An
I am
interesting.
Procedural. I'm representing those who have
Essential
qualified.
qualification. Madam, are you appearing for any institution or candidate?
Lords, I am appearing only for candidates, teachers who have passed TET. We are waiting for promotion. Yes. Now, my lords, what the bench is.
My lords, your lordship may hear me, my lords, I am the petitioner in the special petitions.
There are so many council, let us just put it like this.
Yes.
How many versions would be coming before us? Those who are on version A, please give us the details.
Yes.
There could be an opposing version, of course, that is version B.
Yes.
If there is any third version, C, please give it to us. Let us
Yes,
just-
suggest this.
Because
Appoint
as
a
it-
nodal council, appoint a
Right,
nodal
right.
council to do it.
Because as it is, he says that he has been newly engaged, government of Tamil Nadu has to be heard.
Yes.
So we need to give him some time to file this wakalat.
I have
But
only
you guys
one thing to
utilize
say.
This time
Yes, my lords.
amongst yourself, find out how many versions are going to be placed before us.
Another one.
May I say only this, lords? We have been waiting for this hearing only for this one thing. That, lords, this matter, the division bench said that, lord, all
She
TET
would
qualified
affect
persons
the
alone can be promoted. What
No, she
happened
would be
was
affected because of
My
this.
lords, your lordship may
The
hear me,
SLP,
my lords.
the SLP came to be
He's not
filed
getting
in.
the promotion.
My lords, I
We
am
are waiting for
They're
representing.
not getting the
promotion.
promotion.
SLP
That is
came to
other
be
reason.
filed in October 2023. This honorable court refused to grant a stay. But what the state is doing is they are not promoting us, lords. They have not conducted promotion for the last 3 years. We are saying there are, lord, I filed a tabulation. I've said that one.
Let us just,
Yes, yes.
no,
I'll wait. I'll wait.
there is one government version.
Yes.
There is one version of the TET qualified candidates.
Yes.
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 And there is a third version of the non-TET qualified candidates.
Candidates. And my lord,
Right.
another version that in CBSE schools, Lord, this is not made as a mandatory.
It's mandatory.
Not
It is mandatory.
I can
It
show
is
you,
mandatory.
I can produce all those documents.
It is mandatory.
It is mandatory.
Show us that
Really good. Lord,
says
kindly
that-
come to page, Lord, page
Just- just-
325. Lord, kindly come to page 325.
In which matter?
Lord, in ID number
Just give the serial number from the list so that we can get out.
13.24.
No, 13.24 could be lowered down. 13.1. From any of the,
2 or 13.2.
My lords, your lordship may hear me, my lords, I am the person
Madam,
who's
we'll
filed
be
the
hearing you.
SLP.
Just a minute, madam. Let us just satisfy ourselves whether
This rules.
what the terms of the rules are.
The rule